Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine. Students, today we will revise the concept of 1 to 70. Okay? Let us read the number. Now check the sequence of numbers also. Okay? Let us read the numbers 1 to 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Speak. Yes. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 41, 42, 43, 43. 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47. 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70. 61. What comes after 29? Students, let's do an activity. Now recognize the number. Which number is this? Read the number. 37. Yes. 37, 37. Now see which number is this? 51, 51. Right. Which number is this? 60, 60. 60, 60. Okay. Now see which number is this? 29, 29. 29, 29. Right. Now, which number is this? 15. 15. 1, 5, 15. Students, now we learn what comes after. Okay? What comes after 37? 38. 38, 38. What comes after 51? 52. Good. What comes after 60? 61. 61. What comes after 29? 30. 30. 30. What comes after 1, 5, 15? 14. No. 1, 6, 16. Okay? Good. Students, now see the number and write what comes after. What comes after 14?
15,
Good. What comes after 32?
33,
Yes, write 33. Students, write neat and clean and use lead pencil, touch bottom line. What comes after 55?
56,
What comes after 73?
74,
Good. After 22?
23,
Yes. What comes after 36?
37,
What comes after 61?
62,
Yes. 6 to 62. What comes after 84?
85,
What comes after 2, 9, 29?
30,
4, 7, 47 after?
48,
What comes after 68?
69.
Good. What comes after 96?
97.
Very good.
Students, now we learn what comes before. Okay? Right here. Which number is this? 14. 40. 1, 4, 40. What comes before 14? 13. 13. Good. Which number is this? 20. 20. What comes before 20? 18. No. 1, 9, 19. Okay. What comes before 11? 10. 10. Good. Well done. What comes before 35? 34. 34. Which number is this? 46. What comes before 46? 45. 45. Okay, good.
Students, now see the number and write what comes before. What comes before 5?
4.
4. What comes before 9?
8.
Good. What comes before 12?
11.
Good. What comes before 6?
4.
What comes before 2? Students, I said what comes before 6?
4.
No. 5. What comes before 2?
1.
What comes before 18?
17.
What comes before 5?
4.
Well done. What comes before 7?
6.
Good.
Students, now we learn what comes in between. Between means center, right? Now read the number 3, 5, 35. Which number is this? 3, 7, 37. What comes after 55? 36. Good. 36. Which number is this? 46. And which number is this? 48. What comes in between 46 and 48? 47. 47. 47. Which number is this? 12. Which number is this? 14. What comes in between? 13. 13. Good. And which number is this? 10. 10. 12. What comes in between? 11. 11. Which number is this? 9. 9. Which number is this? 11. What comes in between? 10. 10. Okay. Students, you can count your toys, okay? And tell to your mothers how many toys you have, how many candies, how many chocolates, okay? How many fruits. Good.
Students, which number comes in between? Write the number that comes between the given number. Okay? Write the given number on the butterfly. What comes in between 5 and 7?
6.
Good. What comes in between 4 and 6?
5.
Yes. Next, what comes in between 12 and 14?
15.
What comes after 6? Beta, no. 15, 1, 3, 13. What comes after 6?
7.
What comes in between 10, 8 and 10?
9.
Yes. What comes in between 2 and 4?
3.
Yes. Which number comes here? See?
10.
10. Which number comes here?
12.
12. 1 to 12. Students, after doing this, talk about this to your parents and listen. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? Wash your hands before and after every meal. Students, play inside, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.